Today we have a video from Cuffs and Bagels, and the title of the video is Shoplifter Tries Outsmarting Cops, Fails Miserably.
Hey man, I'm Officer Thorn, Clarkson Police Department. Did my partner here kind of explain?
Okay. I was going to talk to you.
Okay, so your car was identified as being involved in shoplifting.
That's
so
not true, because I have the receipts for those.
Okay, do you want to take a look at them?
Yeah. So this is the. So I bought the stereo equipment from the auto shop place.
Okay.
And then like I said, and then this is. I had one for a water, and then I had the other one, but I didn't even grab it because I paid cash.
Gotcha.
And then I was just going out the other door because my car was parked there, and he wouldn't let me out. It's like, man.
What's the other receipt for?
This is an old one.
Oh, not if I peek. I just said.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
Yeah. What did you pertain to that?
So you bought, was that like a dash cam or something?
Yeah,
Road
I
cam?
bought a dash cam and a set of speakers, and I paid cash for those, and then I went up front and I paid cash for everything else, and I didn't grab the receipt. It was just like, do you have an ID on anybody? I do. Yeah.
You didn't walk out with anything else?
No, sir.
Without paying?
No,
okay.
Sir.
I remember you, Ray.
Yeah.
Give me just a second.
Yeah, no worries.
You paid for a water and what else up front?
Like I said, I paid for the water in the back.
Oh, okay.
Those.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I dropped the receipt in the parking lot while I was loading my shit up. He was sitting there.
Okay. But you paid cash for those?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yeah, but your story already switching though. You said you didn't grab the receipt, and now you saying you dropped the receipt in the parking lot. Come on. Am I bugging? I know I'm not bugging. This is what he said, ain't it?
Oh, not if I peek. I just said.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
Yeah. What did you pertain to that?
So you bought, was that like a dash cam or something?
Yeah,
Road
I
cam?
bought a dash cam and a set of speakers, and I paid cash for those, and then I went up front and I paid cash for everything else, and I didn't grab the receipt. It was just like, do you have a
Okay, right? This is the first one. I didn't grab the receipt.
ID on anybody? I do. Yeah.
You didn't walk out with anything else?
No, sir.
Without paying?
No,
okay.
Sir.
I remember you, Ray.
Yeah.
Give me just a second.
Yeah, no worries.
You paid for a water and what else up front?
Like I said, I paid for the water in the back.
Oh, okay.
Those.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I dropped the receipt in the parking lot while I was loading my shit up. He was sitting there.
Okay.
Then you dropped the receipt in the parking lot. See, I knew I wasn't bugging. Come on, man. Guilty, man.
But you paid cash for those?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yeah, I paid cash for everything.
What about the tones, buddy?
What's that? Yeah, like I said, I paid for all that. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, look, I cut away my wallet. How much was it? It's like 178 some change. No, I mean, and I paid separately for the speakers. That was like 200. Okay.
So I see I'm assuming kicker speaker.
Yeah, and they're sitting right inside.
And the road camera. Okay, so what about like the Sentry safe and stuff like that?
Yeah, paid for that.
What register did you pay at? Do you remember?
Just the one on the.
Yeah.
The one on the.
Let's step over here out of the road.
I don't like being in the...
So you said it was the last set of self checkouts
The last set, like on the other side of the self.
on the grocery or on the pharmacy?
On the pharmacy.
Okay, gotcha. 106, 114. He's claiming he paid for everything separately and then dropped the receipt in the tire parking lot. FYI. Copy. Do you have the PC? Is the mail that 211 ran trespass from Walmart that you can see?
Right, I know. It's pretty straightforward. It's hard to mess up. So if you've got stuff that's unpaid for in there, you want to tell us what it is?
Yeah.
What is it? Please.
All of it, all right? Besides my speaker shit.
Okay.
And I'll fuck more, all right?
Okay.
Okay, Ray. Face the car. I'm going to go ahead and place you under arrest. I just don't know which degree of theft it is yet, but I'm guessing based on what I see, it's probably going to be close to, if not a felony. Then put your hands back.
Yeah.
I'm told
I didn't want to drop that speaker.
Oh, you're good. I appreciate you being honest with me, though, man. Sorry to see you under such circumstances.
With those in mind, you wish to talk to us further?
Yeah, I just,
Yes or no? Okay.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
So So that's my mom's car.
Okay.
So are
you okay if I move it for you, like into the parking lot?
So we can legally park it, but we're going to have to recover all the merchandise out of the back.
That's fine. Can I just get it all out of there and move it? I mean, I'm not going anywhere. I'll pull it over.
Well, yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
106, 114. He admitted to the theft. We're going to start recovering property. Okay, do you have any knives?
Nope.
No pipes, needles, guns, bazookas? Nothing? Grenades? No? Okay. Okay. Nothing in your pockets? On your person that I missed? Okay, nothing concealed inside you?
Nope.
Nothing in your shorts or anything like that? Okay, perfect. Let's go have a seat real quick, and then I'll work on getting the... What all in the back is stolen? My car, over here. I know you said you paid for the speaker, you paid for the camera.
The camera and the speaker.
Okay. And then everything else. Yeah. If it looks new, it's coming out. Is that kind of what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's get this stuff real quick, and then we'll get you on the way.
So you guys are going to recover that property, but that doesn't give you consent to search my car, does it?
No, we're just getting the property.
Curious.
Do you have anything in there that should be in there?
No, I just wanted to make sure because it's not my car, it's my mom's, you mean?
Yeah. So we're just going to go, we're going to recover the stolen property, and then...
everything in the back seat.
What about the stuff on the front seat? There's a bunch of vapes and stuff like that.
Microfiber towels and stuff.
You get vapes from Walmart?
I don't know.
No.
I haven't been there since.
What about all this? Everything's in the back seat.
Okay.
I can leave this stuff in the car?
Sure.
There's a brand new package of microfiber towels sitting on the floorboard. Those are
not mine. No, like I said, anything that's in a brand new package besides those two speakers.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Grab my cell phone off. Because see, the one I had in my pocket isn't set up. But my cell phone's got a black case. It's sitting there.
Okay. Is it in the car? Okay. In like the cup holder, or where's it at?
I'm not exactly sure.
Okay. I'll look.
It's in the front. Well, don't even worry about it. It's all right.
Okay. Anything that's in a new package is not his.
Okay.
So.
He's got glass feeder up front too.
Okay.
So is that the speaker?
No, that's the Sentry box. So these two things are what he paid for. Is this new? Like, what is?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure this is going to be felony level, based on the numerous items. I mean, anything that could technically house stolen property is subject to search, because we've got so many small items. Is this? I can't tell if this is new or old. Oh. This is a dope kit.
Now they just supposed to be in there recovering property. And then you see as they start searching, now they want to go into the full search. Not saying they wrong, you know what I mean? Do it, but be upfront about it. You know what I'm saying? You know you're going to search the car. You know, don't tell dude, oh, we just we're just recovering the property and you're not going to search the car. Because he asked you that question. He asked you that, you know? And you said, no, we're just gonna go and get the property or whatever. And then as you start searching, you change your mind. Oh, well, anything that's holding stolen property, we technically can search. Just be upfront. You know you want to search the car. You know? And the young cop, you know, this guy, he didn't even catch it for real. It's the older cop. It's the other cop that was really got him to confess and everything, because he probably already peeped game. This guy didn't even realize that the suspect told you two different stories about that receipt. You know why? Because when he was on the radio, he said, yeah, just like, you know, he's claiming that he dropped the receipt in the parking lot. That's the second story he told you. The first story, you should have knew that he was lying from the beginning, because he told you two different stories about the receipt. He told you, first off, that he didn't grab one at all. And then he switched it to, he grabbed it and dropped it in the parking lot. See, so he wasn't even paying attention. He wasn't even on point. That he told him two different stories.
It looked like a brand new Pelican case.
Yeah. And a scale. So I would put that back, secure the vehicle.
Apply for a search warrant. Yep. I got out of his, in the floorboard of the backpack here was some more dope. Okay, Ray. Here's the deal, man. So as my partner explained, everything in the car that could house merchandise was able to be searched, okay? I found your dope kit. All right, so here's what's going to happen. We're going to secure the car. It's going to get towed. I'm going to do a search warrant. Okay, man, so here's the deal. So there's two ways we can go about doing this, okay? So I can ask for consent and search the car, okay? You're in possession of the car, you're driving the car, you're able to give consent, okay? Because you're driving it. Yeah. So that's option one.
You already searched it though. Like, come on. Come on, man.
You give me consent to search the car. Like I said, we already found all the paraphernalia and everything because we were searching for merchandise, okay? The option of the two, number two, is I apply for a search warrant, we tow the car, it gets locked up for who knows how long until it gets claimed, okay? So those are kind of the two options that we have to go forward. It's totally up to you. It's your choice to make. I can't advise you one way or the other. I just want to let you know your choices, okay?
You already found it, bro.
Pelican case. Is that yours or is that Walmart merchandise?
It's mine.
Okay. What's inside the Pelican case?
Drugs.
Okay, cool. I appreciate your honesty, man. Is it like, was it weed? Okay, gotcha. Anything else? Okay. A little bit of what? A little bit of powder? Meth? Okay, gotcha.
Fucking losers.
So you're giving me consent to search the car for the rest of whatever else may be in there, correct? Bumper to bumper, door to door, top to bottom, inside, outside.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all that's in there is that case. That's it.
Okay.
Everything's contained.
Okay. As far as paraphernalia goes, Washington's kind of changed the rules just a little bit. It's considered a prohibited item, but I'm not going to charge you for any paraphernalia. Okay. Any clean needles, anything like that, that's going to stay in the car. If it's a pipe or something like that, I'll take it and destroy it.
It's all contained in that backpack.
Just that little seat front up there. Okay. Gotcha. All right, so my partner's going to take all the stuff back to Walmart. I'll retrieve the stuff that's in there, and then we'll contact your mom, and then she can come she'll get the keys from the PD. She can come pick the car up from here.
Okay.
Sound like a plan?
Yep.
Okay. Cool, man. Hey, I appreciate your cooperation, and we'll talk more with the jail when we kind of get like the Walmart thing figured out. Okay.
Will you, like I said, then will you grab my phone, please? Since you're already looking.
What you said it's near.
It's a black. It's in a black case. I don't exactly know.
Okay.
Exactly
Yeah. Gotcha.
Yeah, you already searched it, man. Like, you know you want to search it, just tell them. Like, you the cops, man. You the cops. That's why he asked. He said, "Yo, you gonna search the? Oh no, we're just looking for whatchamacallit. We're just looking for the merchandise. That's it. Yeah, we're just gonna retrieve the merchandise." Bullshit. Okay? Bullshit. You looking. All right. Then yeah, but overall, I give him a 4. Like I said, the younger cop there, he not really on point, but the other cop, yeah, he on point. That's why he know. He like, all right, you found it, but put it back. We gotta get a warrant, or like retrieving merchandise. So yeah, we were looking for the merchandise. So yeah, we seen this case here and we just so happened to open it, and then like, damn well that case ain't. Oh yeah, we see this bag here. We don't know if it's new or used. Hold on, let me open it up, and that's where all the needles and stuff is. Come on, man. Just keep it 100. Keep it 100, man. You ain't gotta fake the funk. Anyway, yeah, so I get a cops for 4. And that's about it. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.